Welcome to Bruges, Belgium, a city where time stands still and history whispers through every cobblestone street. Founded in the 9th century, Bruges grew into a powerful medieval trade hub. Join us on this journey through its most enchanting landmarks. We begin at Blaine Hazelberg, the Blind Donkey Bridge, a charming crossing that dates back to the Middle Ages. Its name originates from an old legend, and today it serves as a gateway to the city's historic core. The bridge offers stunning views of the canals that once made Bruges a dominant trading power in the 12th century. Just through the arch we arrive at Stadthaus, Bruges City Hall, built in 1376. This Gothic masterpiece is one of the oldest town halls in the Lower Countries. Berg Square stands as a testament to Bruges' rich history. This site has been a centre of governance since the 9th century, when it housed the first fortress built by Count Baldwin I to defend against the Viking raids. In the distance you can see the Belfort, towering above the mart. The Belfry of Bruges is an iconic symbol of the city. Built in 1240 and rebuilt after a fire in 1280, it has served as a watchtower, treasury and municipal archive. Climbing the 366 steps at the Belfort rewards visitors with an awe-inspiring panoramic view. The sounds of the carillon bells, installed in the 17th century, echo through the city, adding to its fairy tale charm. At the heart of Bruges, the Mart Square has been the commercial centre since the 10th century. This medieval marketplace, surrounded by colourful step-gabled houses, invites visitors to soak in the lively atmosphere. Dominating the mart is the Provincial, a stunning neo-Gothic building completed in 1892. It once housed the provincial government. and today serves a venue for exhibitions and events. A short walk leads us to Saint Salvator's Cathedral, the oldest parish church in Bruges, dating back to the 10th century. It was elevated to cathedral status in the 19th century, and its imposing structure and exquisite stained glass windows tell stories of faith and resilience. Moving to Jump, the largest square in Bruges, we find a lively space often hosting concerts and markets. Pro Patria, a monument dedicated to those who fought for Belgium's independence in 1830, standing as a reminder of the nation's enduring spirit. No trip to Bruges is complete without indulging in its world-famous chocolate. From traditional chocolatiers dating back to the 18th century to the fascinating chocolate museum, this city is a paradise for chocolate lovers. Jungfrau Eggplein, the city pays tribute to its famous painter, Jungfrau Egg, who revolutionised oil painting in the 15th century. This picturesque square lined with historic buildings was once a bustling hub of commerce and culture. The Spiegelrally Canal, with its stunning reflections, offers one of Bruges' most photogenic views. This area once a key trading route when Bruges flourished in the 13th and 14th centuries. Crossing the Koningsbrug or Kingsbridge, we admire the seamless blend of old world charm and modern vibrancy that makes Bruges so unique. The bridge has stood as a passageway for centuries, connecting different quarters of the city. The St. Walburga Church, a hidden gem with lavish Baroque interior, built between 1619 and 1641 by Jesuit architects. Its stunning altars and grand ceilings showcase some of Bruges' finest craftsmanship. Bruges is more than just a city, it's a story waiting to be told, whether it's history, culture, or simply the joy of wandering through its timeless streets. Bruges never fails to enchant. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.